name's Ray with Happy Hounds Dog Training. This is Boomer. He's a 5-year-old mixed breed. He's here for our 1-week board and train program. He's been really struggling with jumping up on new people, doing anything possible to give them a kiss. He's just too sweet of a boy, but he needs to be able to contain his overexcitability and have some patience and impulse control. Apparently he has a pretty solid foundation with his basic commands, but let's see how accurate that statement is. Boomer, off, off. Boomer, sit, sit. Boomer, sit, sit. Boomer, sit. Boomer, sit. Sit, sit. Boomer, sit. Freak. Good boy. Good boy. Boomer, place. Good boy. Freak. Good. That's good boys. That's good boys. Sit. Boomer, down. Good boy. Freak. Good boys. Good boys. Boomer, heel. 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 Good. Heel. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, so he definitely understands some of his basic commands, or a lot of his basic commands, but even when doing them, you can tell he has some confusion and he's just very, very antsy. He is ready to go. So we'll work on the off command for the jumping and get him holding his commands for long periods of time. Yeah. And then we'll check back in a week and see what progress he's made.